Imagine a summer camp where a crew of 8 and 9-year-olds could laugh, play, explore, draw, color, sing, and talk freely. Now imagine that this place is in a math room, where the campers are encouraged to solve difficult problems without pencil and paper, without fear of grades and time constraints, and where shared mistakes are celebrated with smiles of ownership. And picture those faces and voices becoming happy, content, energetic, and strong.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, yeah.
Thanks to the Skaneateles Education Foundation, this special place became a reality in the summer of 2015. Under the direction of Brian Cohen, who is our K-12 STEM coordinator, I co-wrote and was awarded a grant that allowed me the ultimate experience of action research with a baker's dozen students who had just completed 3rd grade. These students were selected based on their commonality of being on the verge of independence, but lacking the confidence and mental tools that could help them break out of that fixed mindset that whispered, "I am no good at math." 2 hours a day, 4 days a week, for 5 weeks, these students enjoyed a stress-free, idea-rich, interactive math experience. The overall camp culture was steeped in an atmosphere of developing a growth mindset, as explained in the book Mindset by Carol Dweck. The grant targeted 3 objectives. First, using strategies from the book Number Talks by Sherry Parrish, students would learn to mentally use numbers flexibly, feeling comfortable in sharing those strategies verbally without pencil and paper. Can you tell me how you got 35? What did you do?
I did 6 plus 4, which is 10. I did 7 plus 3, which is 10. That's 20 together. And then I did 9 plus 1, and that's another 10, and that's 30. And we're remaining with 5 left, so it's 35.
Next, the campers would learn to approach, collaborate, and explore solutions to big math problems, regardless of specific mathematical content, proceeding in an organized way, asking questions to aid their learning. Some of these big problems took up to a half hour to solve. Finally, fact fluency in the form of an innovative online learning tool would have a positive impact on fluency improvement. Was the camp successful? Individual daily logs asked students to circle the face that best reflected how each felt about math that day. Brief one-sentence comments revealed something learned. The cartoon faces gradually moved from scared or angry or sad to happy or excited or love eyes by the second week. Student feedback was welcomed and celebrated. Most was positive and encouraging. Did brains grow? One student summed it up in only the way an 8-year-old could.
I learned that there are paths in my brain, and if I keep on trying, there'll be bigger paths, and it'll make it easier to do.
Parent surveys revealed changes in student attitudes, growth in confidence, and an excitement about tackling hard problems. A general feeling of thankfulness emerged as their children, who were once hesitant, grumpy, and anxious about math, became excited, confident, exuberant problem solvers. Most telling is the continued success of these campers as they face the complex math curriculum in 4th grade. Teachers have stopped me in the hall to share how willing these campers are to work hard, contribute to class discussions, and offer solutions. In January of 2016, I gathered these now 4th graders to voice their own observations about their learning.
I feel happy about math, and I learned never to give up.
I solve hard problems, and that is how my brain grew.
Logic is hard, but you can't achieve it if you don't try.
I learned how to do number talks, and now I can do math in my head.
I learned if I reread the problem, then I know more.
At first I didn't like math, but now I love it. I knew my brain grew because I can do harder math problems.
I knew my brain grew this year because I finally did a math problem that I've never been able to do before.
When I disagree, you always have to be nice to walk it out. The reason why my brain grew is because I made mistakes through the way, but I fixed them.
Your brain doesn't grow if you give up.
I was indeed fortunate to have been awarded the opportunity to witness the growth of these individuals. The main ideas of the summer Solver Camp have now been shared with all teachers in all grade levels at State Street. The culture of learning for all students has been changed for the better, thanks to the generosity and foresight of the Skaneateles Education Foundation. Learning is indeed all of the time for all of us.